family savings. We already do this every day consistently. But if you're new, that's not the smartest thing to do. You'll more than likely just lose everything. So do the responsible thing, take it slow, and remember, my results are not typical. Do not blindly copy me. That is a recipe for disaster. You have to understand the strategy for yourself. Lastly, I do not invest money for my subscribers, all right? So be careful with any fake relentless trader accounts reaching out to you. Be careful with the YouTube comments and spam. A lot of scammers, all right? Here we go. Trade smart, trade setups. Okay, which one is it going to be? Which stock is it going to be? EPOW, off to a decent start. SMFL, kind of up and down. We got a high of 36, low of 19. APLD a little, a little choppy here so far, but maybe something over 6 again. Again, I'm going to use small size here for the early trades. Well, as I'm long, yeah, that wasn't good. I'm going to lose $50 there, APLD. As I'm long with some big bids at 6, it immediately flushes right back down. That's the importance of small size too, because just like that, full size, I'd already be down 600 just like that to start the day. Better paper cut than having to dig ourselves out of the hole, right? It literally just evaporates 20 cents down. Okay, I need to rotate. Let's see. No good. No good. GDC. We'll see. Maybe later. I don't know. ORMP. This lighter volume not really doing us justice. Hopefully this one can just get halted up. That would be, it might not be bad. SVRE. SVRE kind of looking decent so far. Again, I'm not going to be, super aggressive here. I'm just going to, take it easy. I'm going to throw out a starter, 73 area. The first 1 minute candle to make a new high is over 79. We'll see what it does. If it does get going. High of day is at 81. There's 79. Can we see buyers? If we do, I can add. The new candle, here it is. But we're actually seeing some sellers into the new candle. It's actually holding up a little bit, but the bid seems like they're dropping down too. So what's it going to be here? We need to see more buying. I'll give it a sec. I need more volume if I'm going to be scalping the highs. So I'll wait. SFML, we're seeing big bids, so I'll take a position here. Come on. Well, fake orders and a loss of $90. So now we're down 150. I had 500 share blocks. I had to hit the buy button a couple of times to get a decent position. starting off with this like small size. But it's back up. Let's pull it up here. This might be the one. Oh, yeah, I think this might be it. Hmm. 50 for the highs. It's saying, although I don't think we actually got there. Spreads, man. You know what? I think I need to even slow it down some more. I'm gonna size back down. But that was a decent, attempt. Right? We had a huge bid. That's the type of thing I want to see. But I'm thinking of GDC yesterday where we're just choppy, and then it moves nicely. So the goal here is to not get deep into the red. I need to just, kind of survive until we see something. 45 right there again. APLD, I'm also watching out here. It's just small size. Double top though at the highs for now. There's 350 APL, SMFL, SMFL. Come on, who's out there with this noise? Okay, okay. But rejecting. Titanic. It seems to be holding, so I'll take it. There's 50 again. Will we see it over 60? But only 63? Do we need a pullback? This is reminding me of slow market conditions, man. I don't really love what I'm seeing here. But maybe we need to be patient. There's 67. Slow and steady. Hopefully we need to pull away. There's a bid. There's a bid. But no immediate reaction. It needs to pull away. It needs to get to 80, 85, 90. Once it does that, then it means business for real. But so far, so good, right? Slow and steady. That was decent. I'm gonna increase size if I can see some more winning trades here. It's definitely fluctuating a lot as it's going up though. 75 for the new high. Oh, I was aggressive. All right, I'll take the loss. Good trade though. So it looks like it needs a 5-minute pullback. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna miss the dip. It's aggressive, all right. That was a great dip, man. I'm just a little too aggressive getting back in so high. We haven't had a new high of day yet, but it's a good bottoming wick. No, more buyers. It might happen here. Can we see it? There may be a hidden seller there, is my guess. Time 41. The candle's still young. 57 for the low right there, so we got a higher low. There's a small bid. Doesn't seem like it's enough though. Maybe. Okay, there's the move. Oh man. No. Wow, I tried adding at 70, it jumps up to 80. That's a 15-cent plus high fill. Not good. That would have been a great trade though if I could have gotten the fill down there. Well, I'm getting a little chopped around here, right? Perfect place to add to. Big seller up here at 82. Ay, ay, ay. It literally jumps up like 13 cents without even, showing any other price. We got a new high of 88. So it's been slow and steady, right? Just a slow grind. Good move overall. I got to be careful of the next bigger pullback that could come. Okay. We should get a new, yeah, we should get a new high. So not bad there. It might go crazy here. It seems like they're covering. Not getting a decisive entry here though. Oh, they're covering all right. Higher fill. Slightly higher fill there. Man. Can we see a pullback, please? Will it happen? $35 for highs. It's holding really high for now. Man, I'm getting murdered with these high fills. I gotta be quicker in the trade. I can't believe I'm in at 15, man. That is disappointing. Do I need to re-average? I'll re-average. And this is even a high fill. This is definitely still a high fill. Talk the relentless trader nicely here. Take me to the moon. We gotta get green right here. This is it. We gotta get green here. If not, we'll be having a hard time here today. Take me to Pluto. There's some big bids, but there's hidden sellers. Can we break? Come on. It's not ripping. It's like it's just littered with hidden sellers. It's a little spready, or it's just volatile, right? So I'm getting filled all over the place. $0.01 gains, just over and over. Getting filled on the bids coming out, getting filled on the ask going in. If I don't get green here, I'll have to just reduce size and ease off. Because if not, I'll just be red again. Do we want it? Do we need a bigger pullback here? That was already 20 cents. Ay ay ay. 48 for the highs. That was the low 17. 28. Do not chop me out. Come on. What I can't afford is a big flush again. More time necessary. Maybe. Yay, nay. Can we see something a little bit more dramatic here for a drop? It'll be really good to load in big size. And of course, if it does drop, we don't want to see it fail. Is this it? Come on, take me to the moon. Okay, I'm gonna try it one last time down here. This is a lot of trades for this dip already. Fuck's sakes. Oh, that was my fault. From 15 to 25. Goodness. Yep, I'm gonna ease off. It's not making sense. I'll just at this point I'll get red. Good attempt. Good attempt. Just, churning, chopping, churning, chopping. If it gives a proper 5-minute pullback to VWAP, that would be good at this point. But I don't know if that'll happen. 70,000 shares traded for a whole lot of nothing. Fine line. There's a seller here. 23, 32,000 shares. Low of the entire move has been 404. We had highs up at 48. I almost missed that, man. I'll give it a chance to curl here. Or is this Titanicing? That was a great entry. I'm going to try and hold. You blink and you miss it. If it fails, then we'll probably take a loss. But I'll try to give it a chance. Back to high of day. It's a great pullback here. I'm gonna stop break even. Jeez. Such a mess. I'm only in half the size. We slingshotted back to like 18. Maybe I should have just took the entire thing mid-teens. But I want to hold this back to the heights, right? Do we go as low as VWAP? I mean, 82 is possible. Although I don't think likely. We came from a new high of day. I'm going to add here. I'm going to add, and then I'm going to hold towards the low. We'll see what it does. This is it. Moment of truth. As long as it doesn't panic flush, I should have no issues here. So my goal is to hold this back to 450. Right? 450 is my target right now. 450. This is a very healthy pullback. This is the trade of the day. If this works out, we have a nice day. If it doesn't, well, no hard feelings. KB, KB, where are those bulls? Are they going to take this beautiful setup here? Are they going to take this beautiful setup? Titanic. We'll see what it does. As long as it doesn't teleport down to 380, I have no problems here. Which we do see from time to time, unfortunately. Sometimes when these stocks want to be irrationally weak. Right? Okay. Watching it volume here. Good reaction right there. I think it's getting ready here. We'll see in the next minute if it means business or not. Will we go to the moon? Almost. What does it want to do, man? 407. It's lingering down here, which I don't really like. But giving it a chance. No paper hands today. Today I'm taking the paper hands behind the shed and getting rid of it. Once and for all. Diamond hands, relentless today. Diamond hands. Time. There's 3 minutes. If it's serious, it should get going soon. There's 02. I'm going to stop out. And son of a gun, it's going to slingshot right back. Well, my stop was adjusted to break even. Fuck's sakes. Well, good attempt. Again. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 25 was my target to sell some, half. Well, at this point, I have to throw in the towel. I kind of mentioned it already earlier. It's like it literally said I'm gonna stop him out, right? It comes down to 02. I'm thinking, okay, maybe a flush down. I get some lag in the order coming out, and right back to 16 instantly. Wow. There goes my nice, beautiful 5-minute pullback trade. And that right here, I just sold the other half. Nice. That's the difference of $1,000 day right there. Come on. Come on, man. All right, I'll stay on the sidelines. Maybe there's something overhyped day, but I'm gonna reduce size. At this point, my goal is to make $50 here, and then I'm done. $50. Titanic, Titanic. Right back down. Looks like it's finished. Man. All the talks of taking care of the paper hands, right? When the stock pulls away from my entry, my stop becomes break even. So my stop was initially 96 at the low of the pullback, but we had 20 or 18 for a high. So it's like, okay, if we come back down to 4, I'm not gonna get out for a loss at this point. Watching APLD here, it seems like it's struggling. break of the high of day level. Such a great valiant attempt on that trade, man. Yeah, APLD, maybe it needs a little bit more time. I'll let it break out above high of day and hold above the level. It's been a while since I got, since that happened to me in a 5 minute pullback. Okay, here we go, APLD. Are we going to now hold above the level? Can we see 25 out of this? Sellers, 14. Yep, it's looking like it's one of those days. What time is it? 10 a.m. I'll have to sit here till 12 o'clock to get green at this rate. I'm down $92. I don't know if we'll see another setup that's that good. APLD, will this one pull back again? It finally broke out above high of day. A lot of choppy trades for me trying to get the break of 10. We are at yesterday's high. Uh, I don't know if we need to pull back or not. It'll be better if it holds above the level though. SMFL right back to high of day, so it's actually going to hold up that big drop. Pretty impressive. Thought it might have been backside. If it breaks through 50, I'd watch it here. Let's see, will it? A lot of fake orders today. A lot. I have adjusted my expectations on this day. Instead of like aiming for $1,000 day, I'm gonna aim for just small green. Can I get green? Other than that, max loss of like 250. We're not gonna allow this day to go to a big red day. So SMFL, if it breaks over the highs, I get back in, but it has to hold above the highs. Here we go. Teleports back down, not good. So maybe there's a lot of short sellers up here. We do not need to get caught in that type of drop. It's back down again. So we'll give it some more time. Sweet, sweet trade, man. Sweet, sweet trade. The circumstances, the first time it got up to 20, I didn't take profits because my profit target aim for half was 20, 25. Let's just say mid 20s. So I'm like, it's not triggering my out yet. I gotta follow the rules towards this trade. Give it a chance. APLD. I'm missing APLD here. Nice move. This one might mean business. If this other one fails, maybe APLD takes over as a stock of the day. Maybe. There's 50 again, 49, but back down. It's this one, this SMFL is a battle here, right? We got a lot of shorts, a lot of longs. Which way is it gonna go? Every time it flushes down, it gets bought up. Every time it goes up, it flushes down. This is a big area here. If it gets through 50, I think maybe a halt up might be possible because there just seems to be a lot of short sellers. So if it dips, if it breaks, I don't mind taking it. But I'll have to be very careful it's not just flushing all the way back down. If that's the case, I can already see myself being down 30 cents, 300 bucks. Red day recap. So what is it going to be? Is it going to be strong or not? There's the move through 50. We need them to cover here. There it is. There's the real push. Now watching for break of 5. Can we see break of 5? They're gonna have to cover here. They're gonna have to cover. Ooh, they're gonna have to cover. Come on. It's almost there. Yes. Here's 05. We gotta be accurate here. Is it up or down here? What's it gonna be? Some buyers coming in at 80, 82 area. As long as it doesn't fail, I think I should do well in this sequence here. We'll see if it does give another entry. Again, it just has to not just drop back down to 4. Yeah, 4, right? 401. We got to just hold up our levels. We're consolidating here sideways. Feel good. Feel in control now. All we need to see is a little bit of green. Talk to me nicely with an entry here. Talk to me nicely. Talk to Relentless Trader nicely. Is it up or down here? I'm not going to take this high, so I'm being patient. I think that might have been good enough. Or not. Maybe not. I want to hold that type of trade through 5, but not looking like it's ready yet. So we got to wait again. People still love to see 10,000 share bids. As some buyers are going to come in there. Potential hidden buyer at 80, but we'll see. I don't know yet. Okay, doesn't look like it. Why can't any of these trades be scratch trades? They're all losing trades. I'm over trading it here, though. I need to wait till more. $75 is the base right now. It's holding for dear life there. High of the last is 86. Ay, 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 ay. I'll take the couple of cents since we haven't been seeing anything. Maybe I overcompensated there, but still. We got a high now, 89. It should go here. It should go because that was a quick bottoming wick. If it rejects here, we might need a 5-minute pullback, in which case 450, 440. You know, should I just walk away now? I am thinking about it. Or maybe I size back down again. I think that's the way to go. I'm going to size back down again. I'm going to go down to 800 shares. Let's just try and at least end this day green. Because, you know, with 2K, 3K shares, 4K shares, just one small paper cut is back to flat. Because we haven't saw anything meaningful here. We missed the big 5-minute dip. So Pablo, looks like you're doing well, man. Congratulations. Congratulations on a great day. Lows at 63. You know, we're having issues here, mid 80s, $5. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that today's like goal is 300 likes. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. I go live each and every weekday morning around 9:15 a.m. Overcompensating on trades. Not good. Again, I'm thinking we're going to see a 5-minute pullback here. But it maybe holds high. I don't know. There are buyers coming in there. It's not bad for a starter here, and then you just see what it does. Could be a good move, right? If it does go lower, you don't lose much, but you give yourself a chance if it does curl here for a double bottom, right? And the only bad thing for me is that even if it does go up 30 cents and I take a starter, which would have to be small size, I barely make anything. It's like not even worth it. So I have to wait for an area that I think the analysis is good and be a little bit more comfortable in the trade. But there are options, which is nice. Nice to have options. It's like we're waiting 20 minutes just for one big green candle, then we wait 20 minutes just for one big green candle. I'd wish the stock can give more of an more of an uptrend. I'll take the starter here. I'll take 300 shares, 60 area, 65, 69 area. And if it pulls back some more, I'll stop out and get back in lower. Got quite a new low right there, held up by 1 penny, so still holding. If I'm a short seller, what am I thinking here? Am I already short again up there at like 90? Maybe, maybe. I think they'll be eager to take profits if it drops. So if it drops down, I'm hoping there should be an immediate bounce. So I'm saying if it drops, I'll be back in lower, right? If it doesn't drop, then we see what it does here. I don't know these lows, man. I don't know the lows, the lows, the lows. The lows are such a tricky, it's hard to master trading the lows. But if you can master trading the lows, you're good to go. You're set. But these lows are tricky, man. So here's a new low. I'll be out. It's a good trade there. Is it out of steam already? Yeah, it looks like it is. I was ready for the second wave back to 85, 90, but we're gonna get the quick dip and rip. Hidden sellers, man. But I think that bounce is likely to happen because the short sellers already lost on the first move and the second move, or if we want to count that as one move, that breakout. So once this dips anything, a lot of them are going to take profits because they want to, recover or recoup the damages. Even if they're taking profits early, they're taking profits. So we'll see if it bounces again. It might drop and bounce again, right? We'll see what happens. 54. But in them covering like how they did, it creates bottoming wicks, which is then bullish for us. So they have to know what they want to do. We have to know what we want to do, right? So we'll see what happens. Wherever the volume is going, that's where I want to be. Just think about it like we talk about volume, right? Who is creating the volume? Somebody has to buy first. Curse these high fills. Somebody has to buy first, right? Relentless trader doesn't mind buying first. Creating green. But doesn't look like it's ready. Scratch trade. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not touching it yet. That's kind of too much of a drop for me. See, who buys first on that? Not me. Okay, I think it's on the backside. Ay, ay, ay. Does it hold VWAP? I mean, this is quite the pullback, man. Mm-mm-mm. Well, we survived here. We survived. We're out of here, man. 422. Hard fought day. That's it. Not gonna look back. That 5 minute setup, man. That 5 minute setup. So close, so close. Literally like 3 seconds. I showed a trade last week, I think on Friday. Friday was the day where I just finished up like 150. And I was talking about how I should have had such a nice day. That was one of the trades we showed in the archive. The moment I'm out, the stock just goes. But that was a 1 minute pullback though. It's a little bit more tricky when you're holding for a few minutes and then it goes once you sell. But part of the game, part of the deal. I could have sold when I was up 20 cents and at least still made something, 400. But I was watching for high of day, which is the proper way the trade should be executed. I usually sell early, so I'll still sell before high of day because I'm just more conservative. There are traders who will hold past high of day, and those are the people who will ultimately make two, three, four, five, 10,000 in the trade when I'm just making a couple hundred. But there's different ways to do it depending on what you want to do as the trader. So, but Relentless is out of here, man. 5 years of profitable trading. Yeah, 5 years of profitable trading is really good. Derek, I use limit orders and market orders depending on the situation. But I'd say like in general throughout the years, like